Oh my gosh, oh my gosh! Today's today, it's finally here! My Quest 3 has arrived! I've been waiting for this moment for days. Let's not waste any more time. I'm dying to tear open this box and see what's inside. But before we jump into the video, this video is brought to you by today's sponsor, amvr. They made amazing controller grips for Quest 3 with battery opening. And more importantly, they do not cover the tracking button of your controller, so you can enjoy comfort and immersive gaming experience without any signal blocking. Furthermore, they cost half the price of an original one with amazing quality, so check the link in the description for an additional sweet discount. Now, let's slice up this very sleek packaging as expected from Meta. Underneath is the headset itself, and it's wrapped in plastic. Wow, it looks so slick in person. Much smaller and lighter than I expected. I'm going to carefully unwrap this. And there it is. The Quest 3 in all its glory! On top, we have some booklets, the power brick, and cable. Let's move those aside for now. Man, these pancake lenses look awesome, even through the front cover. It's going to look so crisp once I put it on. Alright, time to find the controllers. Packing those away underneath. Here they are. Wow, these touch controllers feel great. Super lightweight with no tracking ring. Love the updated look and the textured grips. Oh, cool. The battery cover has now a button to slide it open. That's much better than having to pry off the whole cover. What do you guys say? Now, let me pop in the included batteries and pair them up. Smooth pairing process. I'm digging these so far. Can't wait to see them in action. Next up is the standard head strap. Looks okay, but I can tell it's not going to be the most comfortable for long sessions. I'll probably want to upgrade this. On the plus side, the stretchy arms make it really easy to slide on and off. Anyway, I can worry about the strap later. I need to power this bad boy on. Wow, boot up is super quick. That was like 15 seconds to the home screen. The menus feel snappy too as I swipe through with the controllers. Even in the menus, I can really tell the resolution looks great. The colors really pop compared to my Quest 2. Strapping in now. Whoa! The headset sits so close to my face thanks to the slimmer design. The pancake lenses really make a huge difference in overall comfort and visuals. I can barely see any pixels or screen door effects. Everything's just clear and smooth. The track and feel is spot on as I look around my room. Oh man, this is an unbelievable difference coming from Quest 2. The built-in spatial audio sounds great too. I can pinpoint sounds in a 360-degree space around me. Much better than I expected from the integrated headphones. Okay, time to start downloading some games to really test out the Quest 3. I decided to download Red Matter 2 and a few other titles that have been upgraded for Quest 3. This new processor is blazing fast. Downloads finish in no time. While the games download, I decided to try out tracking and pass-through. The pass-through cameras blow me away with their sharpness and clarity. I can easily read text on my phone screen without removing the headset. The spatial mapping also impresses me as I reach out and grab objects. The hand tracking feels snappy and responsive too as I gesture and point. Overall, even in my first 30 minutes of use, the hardware improvements with Quest 3 are very apparent across the board. From comfort to visuals to sound, it leaps and bounds ahead of my Quest 2. I can't wait to dive deeper into VR and mixed reality gaming once these titles finish downloading. Furthermore, the pass-through cameras are super sharp and detailed too. The spatial depth mapping is also impressive. I can really perceive 3D objects like my desk and monitors in the room. As I grab my water bottle, I can see my hands wrapping around it realistically in a pass-through. I also play around with the new hand tracking. The tracking is snappy and very responsive as I pinch, point, and gesture in front of the cameras. Hand tracking has always been a bit finicky, but it feels polished and usable now. Alright, finally finished downloading. Time to dive into some gameplay! Whoa, this looks absolutely stunning with the Quest 3's upgraded displays and lenses. The textures and details are so crisp, especially when I grab objects up close or take in expansive views. The lighting and particle effects also pop thanks to the extra graphical horsepower. The gameplay feels incredibly smooth and fluid too. The 90Hz refresh rate paired with a better chipset makes a night and day difference coming from Quest 2. No hitches or choppiness whatsoever. I'm completely immersed in this sci-fi world. I love every minute of it so far. Well, overall, I'm blown away by the improvements with Quest 3. The visuals and comfort are next level compared to my Quest 2. Really happy with my purchase, especially at the price point, and can't wait to try more experiences on this beast. I'll be sure to follow up after I've spent more time with it. If you're on the fence about grabbing a Quest 3, I'd say go for it. It's well worth the upgrade in my opinion. And if you're new to VR, this is the perfect entry point. Thanks for unboxing the future with me. Let me know if you have any other questions. I know I'm gonna have a blast with this new headset. The metaverse awaits.